God, tá aimsir go brean. Well, tá mar delighted fan so because we met chula me ó Éirinn gur caithe tú tacaí Jim of the Mills pub gur bheith seo an áis mór Tiobraid Árainn don ceoil. So now, Jim, you're famous.
Bhí me uncle Jim of the Mill agus má sean ahar.
Yeah.
Jim of the Milleries.
Yeah, Jim of the Milleries.
Agus raibh sport an son chomá.
Oh, the V.
The V. Brisin an dúchas.
Yeah, so Shanna bhuileann atá ann. So sin an fá agus na gyms go léir. So Jim of the Mill mar sin. Agus, yeah, is teachtarna é, agus bhí míad oscailte gach déirdaoin, cheoil, craic, scéalta, dausa, gachróid. Yeah, so bhín session anna bheith agan gach seachtain.
Well, tá go leor ceoil sa take seo. Chul me sibh canna legan á túil, the Maggie in the woods, Peter. Éanacht sibh casacha an socham. Have you capá, Jim?
If I had Maggie in the wood, I surely would do something good. If I had Maggie in the wood, I'd keep her there till morning. I wish I had a kerry cow, a kerry cow, a kerry cow. I wish I had a kerry cow, I'd milk her night and morning. I'll go here and there with you, I'll go everywhere with you. I'll go here and there with you, 'cause you are me darling. If I had Maggie in the woods, I surely would do something good. If I had Maggie in the woods, I'd keep her there till morning.
We'd sport
and play the whole night long, the whole night long, the whole night long. We'd sport and play the whole night long, and go home in the morning.